na wahi ye wi akwaka ya visibility study ha mo da sa mo grammar basabasa no mo make ka be kire ye say $12 million no mo de be ye the visibility studies ya na mo da ho na no kwa da me kwati ya say cathedral no kwa say wan architect say wan no kwa say ye da so de ka nam say wo ya no am say be ye amena na wa tuna nsuo tamu no ye da hodoka na wa be da ka say cathedral no obi beto aso why na so and that's the reason why I was angry with Ato Forson. Omo kwashia President Mahama. No mani abro manu dem say President Mahama enye say cathedral no bakwa ko. Mahama wa hye nyame bo so besi dan ma. On shebo. Wa shebo. Ana na mo kwa kanche nipa no hye ho bo no. Erade be say me president o. Erade be say me president o. O de me wa me. O ma me president pe. Besi dan ma. Bible say Bible asem biye ni hono ma woto sabia na meboa Bible say onyankopon ti asefo hata soro no okiri nkwasiafo bɔhye nyam na meka Bible ne say Bible choro no said ya maka ni ya onyame kiri nkwasiafo bɔhye na watimi akogina nyam ni ma hye ne bɔ uwiasa be dada yenga na fo se nya dia do ma sike kohyem yani ba ye ho so na consolidated fund we say bom epanyan Parliament kwa wan kan kire omo atam sika because wo fa se na finance minister atam sika for consolidated fund mu e dia kwa akoma ayi amena 247 mutu amena mame ahwe nyame anim akwa Israel akofa boo Israel fo na omo ani abra omo toto bomb toto nkrofo krom no musi Israel na eye ohotiri eman akwa Israel akofa boo eboa na ka mo mmem kwa Kyeremanteng nkwa wai botan na esi woni bi ever measure one mai move for play afia nyame ni kwatam bo ni to play mu e be si kroma se eno na eboa kronkron amu ni be si cathedral mu ye ya mu de chance atwa ho ahia mu da amu ncha ne ho yan tutu fonfon chance atwa ho ahia that's your hallmark MPP obetutu fom owia no wa barricade ho no de danger abobo ho work in progress obekọ na yamena eni bi no maye no wanya no be ka chese ye da so do ka na wo over $90 million so say na ye ka no kra ye nka wie wo sa de wo de ba fifem Ghana for say ye nya why che so no nyina because omanya fact bi an fa back so no nyina because say ye hu obo papa na me problem na kasma mama jedia Richard Ahiagba communication officer my MPP no aka say na majedi na convince me for the way mommo nana Okyehene video no mame se ketwe bi ai nana wona so anope yo ye chia ane nana no asem nie
enti ana ya se hospital for abra wasem na onim se yo Okyehene na asise wo frɛ ekopa cho abamu ansana obi ayo. Not only say me, am frustrated, but the nurses and doctors are also equally frustrated. 100 years later, there's no scan machine in Chebe Hospital. 100 years later, there's no quality laboratory in Chebe Hospital. They send them to Kofodia somewhere else. And even if they have to do the lab, sometimes it costs 4,200 cedis for a patient. How are they going to pay for it? So sometimes it's sad that you can correct certain things, but you're not resourceful enough. You don't have it. And I just laid out what he's done in the health system, and I'm aware. And he appointed people to take care of this. He appointed people to build accommodations for doctors and nurses. How in the hell do we ask people to come and serve us when they have no place to stay? Doctors have left their families to come and work here. Young people. So not only do we talk about what could be done, but you talk about what you have to do. Action. Do it. I believe in the Nike slogan, Just do it. And Tiana say hospital for Brewasem. Now only so your Okyehene. Now as I say, oh friend, Eko Pacho, Kwabamu, and Sana Obiayo. Not only say me, am I frustrated, but the nurses and doctors are also equally frustrated. 100 years later, there's no scan machine in Chebi Hospital. 100 years later, there's no quality laboratory in Chebi Hospital. They send them to Kofodia somewhere else. And even if they have to do the lab, sometimes it costs 4,200 cedis for a patient. How are they going to pay for it? So sometimes it's sad that you can correct certain things, but you're not resourceful enough. You don't have it. And I just laid out what he's done in the health system. And I'm aware. And he appointed people to take care of this. He appointed people to build accommodations for doctors and nurses. How in the hell do we ask people to come and serve us when they have no place to stay? Better than one will be so many or better than doctors have left their families to come and work here. Young people. So not only do we talk about what could be done, but you talk about what you have to do. Action. Do it. I believe in the Nike slogan. Just do it.
Ajana what to me. Ajana what to me. Ajana what to me. Hey! Nana yadase, Nana yate why? Nana yate. Me sure say President Mahama so wate. Ana meboa. Nana so over 100 years in the right scan machine Kwebini Chebi Government Hospital. Wow. Na senda na where dey wadaromo. Ma me sister to no kakra. So ho me kasa na na. So said Nana. Time now wo fast you say Nana do so no fast na ana ne ba. Ora me kasa ne ba. Time now wo ba Nana do odi ade no. Ana Yesu ani ye kekam se enkoyie no. Say Nana wo kase ye abaifu. Ana wo refi. Wo kase obia obeka Nana do mammo asembone bia no. Nana wo se wo ye baifo. Nti yese ni ye baifo. Ni ye anyan pa. Ni ye baifo. Ti Nana ye be nwanwa se. Ene we bia so me a kire se over 100 years ni scan machine kura se bi ni Chebi Government Hospital.
Na oba be so me 8 years.
Yes ade na se na nkoyie. Tuo. Esa na nkoyie kura.
Na wanya ade kura.
Nana do dan Akufo Addo bi science say. Ejuma amode maame no mayana samanya.
Nana waye.
Ana na chita 40 amu. Nana waye. Ejuma amode same so no mayana samanya.
Nana waye nyina.
Nana na ye nyina.
Debium.
Na debium na aka. Ana scan machine no fa na do ani so. Nana do dan Akufo Addo. Emi sa de na efa wani show because say na we ye Chebi kurom kwan ade bi kuku asie ye nyina ne de na scan machine de senkai ne boanya ahibia
kitu
wait there Nanado where your responsibility go and finish it
what was your voice no
aye my friend Nana ho me kwa Nanado Danko Akufo Addo, former president of the Republic of Ghana. This Chebi Government Hospital ya Nana ni abra scan machine we. Nana your responsibility go and finish it. Because who catch na Ghana for say you may dey share won sa no. Why you nyina? Enti ba kwa kam. Dia kam no. Yes scan machine ebi ni Chebi Government Hospital. Chimesiraw. One was say na we decorate Chebi kurom. Akwan dia why ya de. Why you ho? Why are you? Why are you? Yes, a scan machine. Why? Yes, Rawa. Fakwamana na mesrao. Asem na ni ya yan. Na nani abre. Sir, frustration, and that's why I'm frustrated. And a doctor ni anase for no so I am frustrated.
If I kono mo hunto
na masaba fom. Na dey 8 years ni atwa mu no. Na anase for ni frustrated o. And na was so frustrated.
Na no kan na nye yi.
Anya ha ya na yetim ye say GMPC for the sika kra koma na ma festival bi e me wo ba asem e ko wi eche ye say Ghana tourism for e ma menua ba katre na fe kukura anka ne ho ya ka adwam e wo say sika ni mu ana yay over 100 years can machine ni chebi government hospital Nana, why are you saying it? I don't know if I walk. Because the Ankabaya Mrama Paya Tamana Obania, a president, no. Where just a matter of phone call. Addo. Oh, hey. Nana, me Jubilee House. Brasisi, I scan machine in government hospital or Kotobisim. Nana, when can you see can or deto or the Yaya Sika the Bequatras me as Andy Amani fans. Nana, do buy a moment or Toscan machines in the Chebi government hospital. And so now you will call. Twelve. As I was watching fans in the Biafra. Or 2 for her, ya na no. And I started so on one Jessica. No, yes, you confanoche.
Aye.
And have a boy.
No,
yay. Nana, where can we now, me buy my bona. One first can machine, ma. It's your stretcher before. Mumbre sikadia factor machine kosi hospital. Nana 8 years ka sebra wanya bio. Because one will say, Samla no suna do na wa ben. Eti ka hwehwe ni munti. One be ma be ye. Nana 8 years one ka. So 8 years ni nyina nana one ka da. Your boy wa was here ya be fo. And ada money home. And ya kaseti na na do amamuo. And ya already nana uka do beka nyina akire ye na afedi ye den ade anchi yo ye da ya ade anchi ye na asa wo bob nei otu for ya afedi nana do aso ye den waka hwea wo mu ano and was say mesira bi nua no masate fo abo bra na konfa no chi na afedi wono o se wo kwaje nkwa aba no wono mu mo bra de ye ne nkwa I contributed to that project. You know why? I contributed to a confanation. Medemi energy. Ni abo short code. Ye kwadi kumasi 3 days. Ni a de solicited for sika for confanation. Ni a de solicited sika for confanation. If you say you will send out otum fadia na esi na ni so no na so ayade aba boa Ghana man nyina nya Asante man ko because ye wo enkofo ye do omukogi a sabe omunya Asante fo na meboa saa ne yudi Asante fo bi so ba kolebu saa ne yade ayi e ka ne sen ebunu fo bi ba 37 ye do enti nana e ka hwe yanka nana do aso aye din na ko abotonton sansan no e ke nyina ba jo so kasa mre no oh happy for fans de mi ye pa o nana me yesa me ya pina machine sisi a ya yenye oh nana me nye ada hu bi ani mu am yesa ade say you man because nana ka kira me say be before you know why because I was also part of the people who were criticizing Anado's government. Nana say wa be kan Anado amemo wa semboni bi awo before and the giant ye be ye kwa kira baby boko na fe de nana kika mu de na asem no aye kese so I don't know quite to say. O can be brayesi or your own. I am for the and come some guessing. That's to be part of the medium doctor. I thought I never will you. I thought I am going you. I had you. So I expect to say, Yam penny for at 7 previous. Or man was a baby a madri and Tróuble one me. Mamma, me cannot cry on top of Keke. No, why ye? Sure, Missy Wake, just about a phone call. And another, where are you? Nana, I catch us all Jubilee House. Oh, Papa, ne Casano. Chebi government hospital scan machine ho. to be bra wosisi a shuam na wanya call no wanya call no ana na network na teko sisi adia nana be push nti ye ni abro ye ne be ni abre no yen tutu baby one was said o tutu do wakwa no obja ho kwae no one said o mo ye ofanko is a woman ofanko kwan no pepe no mo tutu kwan no obuya no mo ja ho because ye nyina ye te Ghana ha ena ofanko ne se wo kwan contractor sister ni mfidie kwa ye say nana no dan Akufo Addo eni amakwata wo ma ntua ne Ken Ofori Atta so ka ho eni am say wo mo be wielo na abi Adam ena be to aso nti wo mo nyina kwalabo wo ma ne sika o wo ma ntua ne ka o do mo ja ho koye ena contractor no so sisa ne fidie no koye into President Mahama Honorable Ato Forson ne Honorable Kwame Agboja say mun ko hwehwe sika na mun fa ma contractor no wo kwan no so no kwaya kwan no me pa chaw mun na mani abra bu botonton sansan Suleiman Abrahima a mo sha aban totrobento people wo kroma twetwa ya so e na so musimun TV da no insa wo mo fa kwan no say nya President Mahama na award you ena nya Kwame Agboja na award ye eye moa wo krofo na 38.2 fo no bo mo na award ye no mu ja hokoe o ma fa sika nka ho President Mahama na ka kire Honorable Ato Forson say baby abenya sika baby a pe sika na fo kwaya sa kwan no say contractor no wo kwan no so because under the leadership of President Mahama ye try ka in full abai de ka one person enti na wo no wo kwan no ho so wo ye adwuma no. But you see, 38.2 for everybody dede. And so one of our cry and so man yeska. Well, some no ye be ye be cannot credit what my Ghana fatias ye, and son I would have Jan Dam no ababatum. So say now what can a ya no be now ye na what the award and so one of our quine. A ya no be now ya na the award swami interchange now one would Jan Hokoy no. Na sanka ebe tumi a enka wasanka ye na se ya footage no kra ye sure state NPP for just so me interchange omokoye they just collapse the roundabout eno mo tutututu hono ma no bo wi no mo se mo fa chance ntwa ho nhia we de dada wo mo nya mo ye mo ntwa ho nhia ne yenko yanim eno mo de kwa dada so amefo so mo ba be ye interchange eno kra no it took swame for so amututu pia watade bo Kyeremanteng bonshu ansa no mo hu say asem na ni bra haska ansa no mo hu say asem na ni bra bam ansa no mo obuko tutu sara na about no ene chance twa hu hia ye the name say wo mo yeso am interchange o ma fa sika nka ho pa cho ni nyina na eso sourcing dondo wan kwan yo mo tutu yo mo jan hoyi e so sourcing o ma Jessica enti aniema wo mo ejijejija woni nyina sika bia na ho agenda 111 no kra nna na do dan Akufo Addo onimani wuo a otibi ka che President Mahama se President Mahama nko sika no mfa we agenda 111 no it took auditor general and ma ye hu se wo mo twa sika kwa contract ni bia o ma site enti we se nyame amfa fie na kakrofo we to aso a enka asama to yen enka be hu say yesi o ye ya agenda 111 ye ya agenda 111 ni etuatua sika ni amankro cha say ye betua sika so project no mu wie da because ye tua sika ma contractor site wo kwa wa si ho do si wo ho so akoyo two foundation osimani do fotin sa no ja ho koye sika na ye de ma no krampo no cha say adwuma wa ye no ye chemu be 3 4 quarter kra wan fa nkwa adwuma no so sika no waje wakodi adita general na aba mi ye hu sa niam ekoso nyina enti enne metisa wo bote so no mu ye dede bubo tonton sansan ke ka kira Ghana fo say ai ena under the big push ya me mama so sourcing wo mo so wo ntia so mu ko kwa apai he nyina na ya gullible so gullible sina manya omo no omo di machi na mo bo wakora na omo di mirikai ene nam ho no mo communicators na mo sha ase de entro jandam etie ni wo mo no won be brese me ka che mo be brese you see say go to the district level na kwahwa ade legacy projects wo ba gijagu ho omo no ahu otu fam na no agya ho otu ha no agya ho no de nam won see ye be see hospital won see ye be see school da enso onye o otu foundation no agya ho enti ane common funding no kra na bo Ato Forson dey kwa district level no go and ask the MMDCs they will tell you there is a percentage I should charge to for legacy projects na no dey ya bugu asore for esu say legacy projects MPP ba o mo ko ho o ma ko ho because o ma dwen o mo say president Mahamadu sisi ho ai this project 8 solid years o ma ko ho. In fact, I'm fa expert be a crown point kwaka say kona kwa check building your musi ni ahwese e beto aso anase e nto aso 8 years e na asi wa na nsu ato abroda e na mu niam nyina ya week na adwiregu na akum nipa the same thing omode aye Sewia hospital me kai na makoma ya me ya wo hwe Sewia hospital said ye siso ane adwena president Mahamadu president Mills the next president Mills edisi sa ade ni si ho na Moja to war for 8 years. Adi amuba ya na mfidie kura gum dada. Moja ma mfidie ni nyina awe na ache a pro generators aye totoye ni nyina under the expense of the taxpayer. Ni nyina say then you still get mouth. Moja no na mutimi kwatina radio so you have no shame. You still want to talk. Say ye yentie. Ha? Na wan anim nya so betie mo. Make a chira mo na say mo kasa why no yo nyansani a obetra sese metie mo say 38.2 foi asema mo beka nyansa bi ani. That's the reason why ya baby amode kwa fine so kra amwamo Suleiman Abraham what you are doing your credibility is on the line. O credibility would you to on the line o ye careful o sankrofo de oya waju so be ye adwuma mo a entro na bebo ndawro na wani begu ase Besina, want to improve fact bia a chila say ya overpricing big push project want to improve you. I better quite the omo keka kilometer. And I better omo keka 1 kilometer price. Ha, muwanika o. Muwanika rama me ka bibinchamo. We are in a new era. We are in a new era. If you don't get that thing, no, ewa ma adwene mu a mo be di ntragu mu wani masesa. You see, question as say obi e bisa ne say akwan na ekoso no Ghana for hia na ase ye hia. The best answer obi ade be ma ene say kwan no wutwu mutan ye hia. Pa cho de say wo mo fa nkokwan na ye yi. Enti ekwan ye hia. Ye hia e wo say kwantem. Ya wa kwan binum wo ho no ma ye highway no oya ho hwie nye yesa wasa kwan na ban ye ya wa various communities akwan ya hodo ewom a wotwe mu tan e wasa kwan no ye enti san komo na mudi no enkwa Ghana fo adwim ti sabu be gyaye a mu njai over the weekend ya ho komo na die me say eh enkofo eden pa na ha wo madwen. You see, and na me ka ya na me blame NDC fo. Na mama ho kwan masa we bu no wo motiti TV so no mo kika nsem hunu. Because adwuma na ya modache mu pay. Enti asa adwuma na mani di akire. Na anu de yi o mo de ba ya amfei. Ena ne basintali akotua ho ahwan 9 million. Ena o de kwa akoye ayikwan susa. Ena den. Yurade Yakobo. Eh? Wouldn't be assembly channel. I don't know my so many years. Something you know correct. Because the project is up, I'm so. Hey. Yurade Yakobo. Me say LPP for so do my chair. Would do my chair. Entro. One man entro. Me want how to describe them.
5 and 6.
Just entro to cool one to stand no komwa. Ayasa kokono. Nyasam ketwa. And you see say o expose you to the level say it takes only their followers to believe them. Even some of their followers who are wise don't believe them. anya safu aka wo party nim no nim say mo ba sam nya sem na mudi no wo say the base no tete mo makoma ye mo ya munya Agyarko ma ne nwe ne ho ono mu da say kura no me ne na nya asam ketwa sa nkomohuru no ne dam na wo die no mo aka sa wo di osono bite osono say osono for no bite no say ono wodidi wo ayi na ado time afei na wo mo so omo be hwe ni mo say bia daachi bi nyame be hu Dr. Bawumia mobo ye nim da e beba no na omo so omo benya bia die no afei dia Agyarko so what the base ene ndra behwe social media so ena mo kasa nchire Agyarko wa da kwa kasa nchire no ye kase e be kasa nchire no so wonim no de ne jadam no eba president Mahamadu no say ne ye nya be fia si akire no Tróuble MPP for ma. What say Dama Bice no? Sana ma kwa mo be start you. Ana President Mahamadu Ibrahim Mahamadi. Ana mo de Dama Bice ma no. E twa ne wan ye hu say yey. Sa buji na po. No Land and Natural Resources Minister under the Kweku Addo MPP. One mumpo and no mo shine card sign yes sir. Dama Bice no. Wo hwe djuma engineers and planners ya wo ho a wa na safata so wabotoa so ezo wo won se na mo ya mo no makokode wo kwatifi no makọ hu nso no potopotopoto on ba na afam si na ho na hu suai na mo dimirika Ibrahim Mahama oye na ayi je amia to no mo de Dama Bice ma no meanwhile na ye wo mo a wo eye wo mo a wo under MPP Juma engineers and planners the map sanko me say go for mo ye bonia for they are ungrateful beings MPP ni or you ungrateful being opa ho ha fa mu ade ne wakoma mo nyina fa ma MPP ni typical MPP ni enya obo ma defect ni bio o se na bia me catch us say obi defect ko party for from enya wa adwen say sa party no ne ideology say woni mu intimi say we MPP ni now defect ba NDC a me sheda nyada wo sa na we NDC ni now defect na ko NPP a o so no me sheda nyada because anya bi osunu wo mu
kakra
chinia kakra wo mu o ti ase eti ono no ba bi obekọ bi ono ko hwe ni interest
sende
o ko hwe ni interest or where be obetimi anya bibi kakra no ye me defect wo boa already sa go for nyomu ready or where we ma no we na ade na betimi ase so ase me jake wo jabia kwen ba we bi na say ekwaya wa Muhammad amenya be me ni hwa kire ni chinie kakra da so wa Muhammad enti oya so ba propaganda na o say MPP na ye ntro to kwani etire nu kakra na wadwan ayo se wa perfect obua abo be hu se wudi ntro na wudi tro de ho da ho eno no ya chiwa woni ba bi afa ebi na ya wa Muhammad no bra good morning ebi na ya wa hwe awa ho ye do credifo pa ba bi awa fa ne ho no e wo so ya jandam enti ba ha jandam no ya ono atimu sa de amfa so no wo fo so ne ho no wo yire ne ho fa awa Muhammad nyo bi odi ntro Anders person, baby, I won't find no hunting. You are being forced to create jandam. Yami won babo na sambre chinye na what I furu ma show.
Chinye
no wo. We ya person dey no crack akra baby I go find no hunting ya na ya. Osuno bi ye ni wo be wra chinye mu a osuno kakra ni mu. Enti ya mama fa sa de no e na adai. Me say wo de dada bi enye yi. Okwa eye ka na say Joanna Jan ni kwa situation wa former MP no kwa na the same po o de say something someone akwa situation a Peter Edempo oh Peter na akai
say Peter no so na eno ano
so wan say what MPP ni e no different ya no ba NDC and NDC for so de omu yiyimu nti no wo ba na da ni ama post o defect ya na ma the DCU ya ma the MCU ho and o migrate ye no corporate MP o say edru mra ya so won si from won call the Joanna Jan fa so o so kakra ho o so kakra de inside the blood oh nyame na aboa da se ho ono aka se ho se ba sa mi di kwa se ba mi nyai and ono aka se jai so no so kakra ni nam events ni mu sa anti ne ma no hwe frustration a o de Joanna Jan FM Mate cross house and the G crowd as a crowd for sweaty Joanna. Never said Joanna Jan and a warning. Waro, Nania de rough, or bar, Nanny the day to be said, your member, your Yabroso, every day Joanna Jai Guju. I may say, okay, I no catch and cry, Andrews not as a Mudia. Nikuna Andrews, no. Tietiano. Ah. Oh, Sunika cannot day inside. What was an offer, Tracy Joanna? Yay. There's another mirror officer constituency. And also the same thing NPP need be defective by NDC. Na match be on the and MC no. Yes, I'm get to Baku be so no NPP ni no defective by NDC yama the MC. Na rabra all born on NPP subai no papa and what divide the NDC for them who to talk. Who MPP near? No one drop. As simple as that. So and as no kind, they've not been able to prove any documents. They've not been able to prove anything. Aya propaganda keke. Yenya the other side big push, keke. But let me tell you something. You people are just deceiving yourselves. Thinking some ye baby. You are doing nothing. You know why? Yahusa kwano koso. I don't want to be farmed that when President Mahamadu big push, Namo Bossika, I rabbit push, now for you, who quina, now for you nearby. I was like, I said, and then I quite will become. Mammy can be unim say, but since I'm the ministers, not to do one now, I can say 100% of all the ministers, they are using their own cars. About to come out with you. Honorable Dr. Kopoku Odi MP ne ka wato and one of that shooting on Sesano. Yay! Honorable Amakofibua, ne MP Odi is a cow and one of that shooting on Sesano. Honorable Kwame Agoja ne ka watim so Odi MP and one of that shooting Odi the minister on Sesano, Yanto Fufurobiamano. Ato Forson ne ka na no Owusu. All the ministers go and check. One says I'm George the Abba maybe one quarter Cries and I can't no NPP time. You're right. Modern trouble. Entro. I don't know cause out on NPP time. Or to the NPP time. What is Sammy when managing DV who ya? Met me the DV I bought a car while to the bell 1 year and my register. Sure. Anyone to come on why I catch me say Nipa no air living some luxury lifestyle be honorable Kwame Agoja which who so a minister Nika what him na Ato Forson the whole finance minister ka than what him and na 38.241 no makoma yo mo yase na de nkrofo yi yanhwe ye ni atoton Tróuble antumu a 2028 abede mami ka be nchira mo whoever NDC present, me prophetess. Myself running car woman ye, me do politics I check all these years. It me reading political system the way see echo. No matter the candidate NDC present in 2028, NDC will win 2028 election. Eti eno no fan to mutirim. Baby ajumawa. 2032 and no dependent candidate no be win 2028 ama NDC no adwuma obaya won the first 4 years and ebe kire so obeto aso anase won to aso eti hwe sisi ayi de munya obi o hyam nkom bi oboa odada mo o ma mo false prophecy mo de musika akoma no be je kwa me tumofo sese no se menemu a Kamayina me won say me the 8 years ebe hwe se party ni be ye a na se ba bia mumu chiche kwane se na the base for no so ani abre no the base na yana dwe se wo betumu UP so ani abre se wo betumu enti mu te wo hworo ba ko pei the base for o ma so so de ba ko afa fantoni na bu bi de send the base so do o ma so de ba eni ro ba ni na mo so Mukura ya o party baako yi monya taban branches ban ye ho a o munyina atire mu pone se wo mu gu NPP no and in fact sa NPP we dey wo se gu I was say gu na mo form foforo na mo the new faces eba because me I will never and ever agree to what say. Obiti said Nanabi, credibility being Nanabi, I was an Nanabi Quatina TV, so no can't some Nami Gidi. Ever convince me. Ah, maybe so. Credibility being a Justin could your friend Paul. I don't know, but can't some ever convince me. I never convince Ghana Nibia, what's one, sir. I was feeling 8 years of NPP and Nanado. Now I'm feeling 8 years under NDC. Make 8 years because I catch you say no matter the situation, hey, candidate to be NDC in the 2028. Obe winning. Me young commission me the political system and they can't so much now. It's credibility ban pa. And Asante Bediatuo bet media convince Ghana for gabby otchere darko bet media convince Ghana for. Name them Osafo Mafo Kwaku Atta Honorable Kweku Agyapong one more say all sign Sputnik V contract no na adwin ni ho enti wo di yesika bu yesika fa so na agena one sika yetua ve contractor bia akwa site the akwa site so wanko bodam ba bia wo ho Kweku Agyapong no nam ho no abeka so ma kire me say NPP are ono kwa say any one say NDC buy omo friend so omo we the docket ono na reporting ni ho anya ni reporting no asema pana na probeka ebe convince me ya titi ana say Ghana ni bia sebe na ni abro open putuo asema na probeka ye asema na Hanan ma ayi ba for stock former CEO wa yire na wa disika twitwiri die Assemble na Hanan be catch yen Ghana for ye be ginedi. Oh, bring the people out. Ah, neti ni asan to say give to your worry. Saba ba mu biem. Hey, now that say ya wuri enim question. Ni oya wada sha service way. Na ya ti krom ha, ni esi ya be hwanyam anim sadai. Go freda me saba ba mu biem. O be dan. Oh, bayadan. Share. Sese baby a direction na o minor fano. Ye ni abreya ubufuo. Ubu anfuo. Eno ya wuwu case. Me an fami wo. Wutu TV achi ana so ti Facebook. Uhum ya no wadwai. Hey, wudwo. Wano. The country is in the right direction. Hey, e won krofo papa nsem. Eti wo wabufuo no emfame ho. Into case. I know your case, yeah. What was here? It is a say no. Asembia mudi baba to internet no so social media no so no. Montemu wants say enya gole posine du bachi no kwa na social media no so. Yes you hobby. Enkwafo atise no aki obo hobby. Enkwafo atise awele obo so obo gu other side. Enkwafo atise Sammy. Onu obehwa no obu anichie no okofo no. Onu so obo hobby. And bit Sammy, I'm some make no. Yes, you hobby. Don't think that internet and social media now belong to only the 38.2 people. You are deceiving yourself, and that's the reason why you talk anyhow. You put and some any facts. Money be here to back the issue, but you just put it out there. Ha, Monka Sanchez Robert Sambia. Turn on them revenue. Monka Sanchez Robert Sambiam. And na me chiano na ma bisa me sa ne ho te sase akodi isaba. Ye besa akoba tobacco. Nyame ya adom enche industrial park ne de president Mahamadu Bawumia akoba from ebeba so life and colored. Wutu mu time ne bete ne pe industrial park ne beba so. Why was won tiase no eno ya wu case. Eno no e ya wu case eno ne fa me ho. Dia me sure ni mo say industrial park no say eba dan ne be ya ma Ghana. And for so the Bama Ghana no very very important. And no na me share animu. And intimacy 38.2 for say samo ya dia ya na makai machi mo ya dia na makai say Ghana for na yesu ye tie na ye hwe no ye dwen ye ntisamo ye nyina ya dwen ntisamo da mo nkrofo no mu group fo no Mahamadu ye kafo no wo betimi akọ verso mobatia no ye film me class of people no e wo ho ɛne ɛsan wɔ nkurɔfoɔ bi a mɛdi ka kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo na ɔmo kɔ social media no so a deɛ ɔmo tie bi anaasɛ deɛ ɔmo kan bia no ɔkora check no ohu sɛ wadi ntro 1 wadi ntro 2 a deɛ tɔ so mmiɛnsa woka asɛm of serious biom sɛ leadership here what NPP mu kyerɛ me deɛ ɔwɔ credibility a ɔno ka asɛm a ɛbɛ convince Ghana for because it is the same people no ɔmo bɛ say kuro no 8 years no and the same people Dr. Bawumia I don't want to mention his name ɔno deɛ ɔyɛ nkyene kura wa yerem obi a wo ne wo boss ayɛ kwalabo na afɛ deɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔtwe wo ho free enyum na ya future wo mu no ɔkɔtɔ nyɛ o de single ba na wa ne betie kwalabo kura aboa na single na bɛboa enyum a ya future wo mu enyum a ya wo si ano no ɔmpɛ na na do amamu obebu ye ɛyɛ papa nka ɔtwe wo ho afiri ho Ghana for anyame na ase kra dia meka asem no biemo se Dr. Bawumia ntimi admit say oni na na do danko Akufo Addo na bu o man we ya kro we ya fa ne serious so da na it's even an insult to us tell wo no boss be ka bom no ma ya adwuma na we aba tete wo aka cho say me boss no nkwa na bu man no me de benka ho ade ma akoso o company mu ya bufu a Frank ka ho Wasim ka ho na PNT ka ho mo echa no your friends Nora oka ho awale oka ho mo committee ayi baby awala mo ko management wa ahwa meeting na ya baby na ni amaya tro ka wa han ma ase media ma yim mo afiri ma ko gina cha wo ko gina he o de ma hwan you dey inside the soup inside the pot ya bufuni ya demo ha ya be ya kire mu nyina the same thing that Dr. Bawumia paso ye udi ba bia ko you dey inside the pot in fact you are part of the soup uti to ho e ma ni ye e ko jira ba bi nya anuma kokko de say na say de ka na wo bua contract ni bebre wo ho no ma ya duadua mu kura ya wonsa no zip line yo sa hwan ye o ze de ya de ya e say fa drone fa moja fa wiemu eni kra ya ka ho asem wi dia wa no yi wuka a okwa ye $12 million wo cry Bawumia wo de ye ka ya $12 million hye woto sa wo dia kwaya po alugu dam sa wo boa pika se cry ye fa bi mo fom kwaye.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.